Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This year has slowly but surely come to its end. I want to dive into a topic that's been on my mind a lot lately, and I guess on yours as well. That's the rapid change in the design world and what it means for all of us as designers. I don't know how it's been for you, but doesn't it feel like the design world is changing at lightning speed? And not too long ago, our biggest worries were about staying on top of trends and naming layers correctly. And those were the good old days, weren't they? It's not the case anymore. But by this year, we've been hit with some pretty big changes. First up, let's talk about AI. There is a lot of buzz about AI potentially taking over our jobs, making it feel like we're in sort of sci-fi scenario where machines become designers. Well, here's my outlook on this. While AI can certainly help by generating designs and speeding up certain processes, it's critical to understand its limitations, and there are definitely a lot of them. The main thing that AI lacks is the nuanced creativity and deep problem-solving skills that only human designers possess. Real UX designers bring a unique blend of empathy, intuitions, and contextual understanding to their work qualities that AI simply cannot replicate. And for instance, while AI can analyze user data and identify patterns, it cannot fully grasp the emotional and psychological nuances that drive human behavior. And our unique skill lies in truly understanding users and their needs on their personal level, using that insight to craft creativity and effective solutions. So this human touch is what defines our role and ensures we remain essential in the design industry, and no AI can replace that. But then there is a debate around Figma borrowing designs for training their language models. And it's raising questions about ownership and the ethic of design training. And let's not forget about the new tools emerging that make high-fidelity design look like it's just no-brainer to do them. And it can feel that a chunk of what we do may become automated. Let's also not forget about the design metaverse. The concept of metaverse has transcended beyond the virtual reality. It's becoming a significant factor in how we think about user experiences. And designing for interconnected virtual spaces requires a whole new mindset. We're not just designing for screens anymore, so we're creating immersive environments where UX needs to seamlessly blend the physical and virtual, which is another level. And also another big shift is the multimodal interaction trend. So now with the rise of voice interfaces, gesture controls and haptic feedback, designing for multiple interaction modes is becoming crucial. But that's not it, and on top of that, the tech industry has seen some significant layoffs, which has hit close to home for many of us, and it's just a reminder that no job is entirely secure anymore. We are also under pressure to be multi-talented. So UI, UX, motion graphics, 3D models, it's just something feels like we need to be experts in everything just to stay relevant. But here's where I find a glimmer of excitement, and I feel that despite all these challenges, designers are not just surviving, we're actually thriving. In fact, we are adapting to the changes, and some of us are niching down and becoming specialists in specific areas, like for example, ethical design or multimodal interfaces, and others are broadening their skill sets and offering unique solutions that AI cannot match, and not yet anyway. Many designers are also creating their own products, courses and resources, and they're sharing knowledge, fostering human connections, and clients want to work with real people who bring a personal touch to their projects, and the human element is more important than ever. I'm absolutely sure in that. So if you're still feeling overwhelmed about the future, just remember this: your creativity, your personal brand, and your problem-solving skills are incredibly valuable. So in a world where automation is becoming more prevalent, it's our unique perspectives and personal touches that set us apart. and keep pushing forward, keep designing and building. Your skills are your leverage, so share them, connect with your ideal clients, and continue to make a difference in the design world. But thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and whatever you need to do, you know it. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye bye.